Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Fahmida Rodoshi before you, and I'm a learning partner of Eliash English World. Hope you guys are doing great. By the grace of Almighty Allah, we are also passing a good time. So today here with this video, we are going to create a conversation with us. So without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. Hello Rochi, how are you?
I'm over the moon. What about you?
Oh, I'm also doing great. Rochi, how is your family?
Oh, Alhamdulillah, my family is doing great. What about your family?
My family is also doing great. Rochi, do you love learning English?
Yes, I'm also love learning English. What about you?
Yes, I also love learning English.
Which class are you in?
I'm reading class 8. What about you?
Oh, I'm reading class 5. Which school are you studying?
I studied national school. Rochi, could you please tell me about your daily activities?
Oh, sure. First of all I get up early in the morning, then I freshen myself, then I take my breakfast and prepare myself. Then I go to school. After going school, I finish my all classes. Then I come back home. Then I take my lunch and play with my friends. In the evening, I study until 5 hours. Then I take my dinner and brush my teeth.
That's great.
Yeah.
You're so cool.
Do you love music?
Yes, I love music. Do you have any favorite teacher in your school?
Yeah, I have a favorite teacher in my school.
Who is she?
She is my English teacher. Her name is Momtaj Begum.
Oh, that's great.
Do you have any favorite teacher in your school?
Yes, I also have favorite teacher in my school, and her name is Afrin Chumur. She is a great teacher.
Oh yeah, that's great. Do you love playing?
Yes, I love. What do you do in your leisure time?
Sometimes I play with my sister, and basically I draw some picture and sketches. What about you?
In my leisure time, I like to play Monopoly and read some magazines.
Oh, that's great. What is your hometown?
My hometown is Dhaka.
Oh, that's great.
What about you?
Oh, my hometown is Rampura.
Oh, that's great. Kuriam, where is Kuriam located?
Oh, it's located in It's located in Rampura. It's located in Rajarhat.
Oh, that's great. You are so cool. I love to speak with you. Hope you're doing great.
Thank you so much.
So everyone, this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoy this. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz.